Are you ready to learn how to make $1,000 or even up to $2,000 every single day for doing something that is really creative online? You don't need really any experience to do this. This is absolutely all about you and what you can actually do. So whatever your skill is what you're going to be using today. I'm going to show you this awesome strategy. It's so easy and so wonderful. I love it. It's absolutely free to do. All you need to do is make sure that you watch the video all the way to the end. Make sure that you don't skip any part of the video, because every single part of the video is important. You need to pay attention. And now, before I show you this, you must understand that it's available worldwide. So wherever you are, if you're in Africa, Australia, Europe, Asia, South America, you can all get access to this awesome opportunity. Before I show you this awesome strategy, please subscribe right now to the AD Money channel. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Just click that bell so that every time I have a new video, you will get a notification. So there's a website called Skillshare.com. Before you try it out by yourself, let me tell you what you need to do so you can make money. Skillshare is basically a platform where you can teach people different things. So many different people are teaching people about maybe things like animation, design, illustration, photo and film, all kinds of things. So for example, let me show you something. If you click on browse over here, and let's click on maybe something that has to do with let's try graphic design. So when we click on graphic design, it's going to give us different kinds of platforms that we can actually decide to click on. For example, here this guy has 10,049 students right now. Over here there's 15,572 students. Over here there's 5,100 students. So when people watch your videos, you get paid, and people can decide to become your students and follow you because you're teaching them something reasonable. So whatever you want to teach them, maybe you want to teach them about piano, about guitar, about music production, photography, graphic design, web design, singing, whatever you want to teach them. For example, if we click on this Temi Kaker guy and we click onto his video, we will see that he's actually teaching in the department of graphic design. So this is something that he knows, and he's created a playlist for people to actually watch.
Today we're going to learn how to make a digital poster using Photoshop.
So basically that is him over there, and he's just doing really well because he already has 10,051 students. So basically he's going to tell you about the class, which is basically what he's going to be providing as a teaching to you, what you're going to learn and everything. So he already has 190 projects. So it's basically you creating a class and a playlist for people to actually come onto your page and become your students. And every time people watch your videos, you get paid, you get money. So you just want to find out exactly what exactly you can do. Now, for those of you who don't really know what you can do, or you might not have a skill or whatever, don't worry. I'm going to show you a shortcut that I've been using that is making a lot of money. Go onto a website called Render Forest. When you're on Render Forest is basically a place where you can get access to different kinds of things. Like you can make a logo, you can create a video, you can build a website, design graphics. Now, I'm going to show you how you can create easy videos without any experience and actually sell them on this website over here and actually make money. So when you're over here, Render Forest, click on create video. When you click on create video, the different kinds of templates that you can use. So it's already made templates that you can just use and edit. Now I would like you to focus on whiteboard animation toolkit. You might have already seen this kind of videos online, maybe on YouTube, where people will teach you something using a whiteboard, where it's like somebody's drawing on a whiteboard and explaining something to you. Now this is already made for you, and you can actually use this for yourself and edit the words inside. Now you want to click on create now. So when you click on create now, you want to click on load a preset. A preset is just going to give you the different kinds of options that have already been created, so that you can just edit the words and make it suitable for something reasonable that you can teach people and they can actually learn something from you. So for example, let's choose maybe something in real estate, which has to do with like houses and properties and so on. So let's check what it's about. So, for example, something like this, you can click on use ready story. Then everything in the video, every word in the video, you can actually edit. So for example, over here, when you click here, it says, do you want to buy or rent your dream home? You can edit it and say, I am going to teach you how to buy your dream home. So now you basically making a video on how you're going to be able to teach people on how they can actually buy their dream home. So then you go on to the next scene over here, and you can type something like, it's never too late to dream big. All you need is the right advice. So you get the picture of what I'm trying to tell you. So throughout the entire video, you can just edit everything word for word and make it into like a teaching, a class that people can actually learn something about, maybe buying their dream home, so that you can encourage them and give them step-by-step guides on how they can think and how they can actually be able to pursue the fact that they want to actually buy their dream home. Now, there's so many different templates that you can actually use on Render Forest. So you can just go and check whatever you like. So we want to click on create a video again, and then whiteboard animation, then create now, then load preset. So then we can find something different, maybe this one on fitness club promotion. So This is the fitness club promotion, as you can see over here. Let's actually have a look on how it actually looks beforehand so that we can decide to edit it according to how we want it. So let's play it. Okay, so I'm not going to take you through the whole video, but you get the picture of it all. So now we can decide to use the story and actually edit every single word. So for example, over here it says this is a story about Chubby Chuck. You can start by saying, are you unhappy with your weight? Are you unhappy with your weight? Then over here, you just cannot seem to eat healthy and lose weight. So basically you get the picture of it all. So you can continue, and throughout the video it's basically you teaching them how they can actually take a step-by-step guide on losing weight, and then you can then promote a certain product. So it's just building that teaching environment. Just you can teach anything, literally find anything you can teach. And on this website you can literally find videos, whiteboard videos that you can use on different topics, on teaching guitar, teaching piano, all sorts of things. And then you can go onto Skillshare and then create a free account and then become like all these people who actually create like classes and actually have so many students. So if we go into the music department, somebody is teaching about music, you know, music production, and this guy has 20,000 students. I mean, this guy is making a lot of money. Over here, 9,000 students, songwriting and composing melodies. So this woman over here is just teaching about like piano, and she has 9,000 students. So trust me, you can do it. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please comment your questions down below in the comment section right now. Like the video, I would really appreciate that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps you. Comment down below on your progress, on how everything goes. Let us all share our experiences and how we have managed to make something happen with this strategy. Please subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. It's absolutely free. Just click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Click that bell so that every time I have a new video you will get a notification. And check out my playlist on my channel so that you can learn how to make more money online. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.